Zaragoza.
Zaragoza is a street.
Oh, street, okay. Zaragoza Street.
This over there is a New Mexican area.
Oh.
This is the resort, to the beach, to the restaurant, and the shopping area.
Okay.
We have a lot of buildings.
Old building. Where is downtown, senor? Downtown is over there, huh?
Yeah.
Downtown. Oh, you know.
Downtown is a far way.
Oh, we've been there, yeah, okay.
This over there is a New Mexican area.
Oh, that's different place.
Old Mazatlan and New Mazatlan.
Ah, Old Mazatlan and New Mazatlan. Dalawa may. That's a new one. Because of the big building. You know, tiga Batur yan, oh, Norwegian yun. Oh. They're walking. Flea market. Oh.
No, this is to the beach.
The beach.
This is to the seafood. Yeah. Well, this is to the seafood.
Uh-huh.
Right here is a lot of people.
Uh-huh.
Every Sunday. This is good for the kids.
For the kids.
This is to the seafood. Oyster, octopus, shrimp, fish.
Wow, octopus. Huh?
Yeah, octopus.
Oh, yan, beach me, oh.
There to the beach is for
The
the kids.
beach, naliligo sila, madumi. Ah, dito naliligo.
Another restaurant.
Wow. Ganda, no? Zona apta. Ganda me, oh. Look at that. Island pero there's nobody there. Walang bawat.